Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm with my mother, Carol. We are here going to be showing you, I'm going to teach her how to apply false lashes. And not like my aunt had the clusters, my Aunt Nancy, we did that. Well, she actually did a really good job. But I'm going to be taking the, you get scared?
Yes.
I'm going to be taking the Ardell Natural Lashes 172. And these are going to be natural, beautiful, but a full strip lash. And these are one of the ones I showed you in the video I did on appropriate lashes for women over 40, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. You can wear these. So I'm going to tell you a trick, Mom, that you might not, would you know which ones go on which eye, looking at the package?
No.
So what I do, ladies, is that I will turn the lashes around. So the name of the actual product is upside down to me. So I will look and I will know that this one here is going to be for my right eye because it tapers all the way in. So it's going to taper in and then it's going to go all the way out, you know, give a little bit more of my natural eye shape. So that's how I know how to do it. So when you look at the lash, look and know that it's the shortest goes to the right to the eye area, the inner corner of your eye. All right, that's what I'm going to tell you. And then I'm just going to walk you through it and it's going to be all you.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm ready.
All right, so I have the alcohol pad. Just hold everything up so the ladies can see exactly what you're doing so it's not too low for the camera. So you're going to take the alcohol pad, open it, and clean the tweezers because you always want to have clean tweezers. You're around the eye area, you're picking stuff up. So you just want to, yeah, don't be afraid of it. Yeah, good.
Okay.
All right.
I got it.
All right. All right, so you're going to take the lash box, pick out the one for your right eye.
Okay. I turned it around like you told me, and I just take it off with the tweezers?
But okay, so that's a good question. Okay, so that was easy for you there. I'm going to just bring this up. I'm going to bring it up. So ladies, you're going to take it from the corner. You'll take it from the corner when it's on here, on the actual product, on the plastic. And then you're just going to gently peel it off, okay? Because if you're too aggressive, you don't want to go in the middle here, you're going to rip the lashes out. Go to the corner and slowly peel it off like that, all right? So you got this one off, so that's fine. So you can just do that.
Well, I just remember from your other video that you said to go to the center, so
Well,
I didn't know.
The center was to apply it to the
Right.
actual eye.
Okay.
So that's where you want to grip it.
So now that it's off the little container, I take it from the center now to put the glue on it? All right. Okay.
So when you're holding it like this though, do you see how you've grabbed the whole entire lash? You
Yes.
just want to go to the ends because now squeeze it down.
Wait, hold on. I can't. Okay,
Squeeze.
I got it.
Okay. So now you can put the glue on because you were on the band.
Oh,
You just want to be on the
okay.
lash.
Okay, got it.
Right, so your glue is over to your left.
This? Okay. I've never seen it in a
Yeah,
container
I know.
like
I
this.
just happened to buy it, and usually it's in a squeeze bottle. But I
Right.
thought this would be easier for you because it's a wand.
Yeah, I think so.
Eye
Oops.
duo.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can I just lay
Yeah,
it
you can lay down.
Okay. All right, I just dropped it.
That's all right. This is why we're doing this.
Oh, no.
The lash is loose. The lash is loose.
Okay. Oh, no, it's upside down, too. This is terrible. I think that I'm not going to...
No, that's good. See? Okay.
All right.
Now, what are you doing with your left hand? Why are you holding it like that? Okay, perfect. Now, just relax. Now, since it's, what are you doing? Okay,
sure.
okay, just relax. Okay, so since it's a wand,
Right.
you can just follow the lash itself.
Right.
But putting the glue on it. Don't be afraid. You just don't want to clump up the glue, but nice. You just do a nice stream of glue on the band.
All right.
So you see how it's going on nicely?
Sort of.
Can you see? Do you need your glasses?
No, I'm not going to put glasses on so I can...
Oh, that's true. Do you want to put glasses on and then try to put them on over your glasses?
Yeah.
Okay,
no,
so that's
okay,
good.
So I can... Okay, so now
You
it's
want to make sure you
nicely
have enough
light.
glue.
Light, but not
Light,
too
but
thick.
not too little either.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right, so now I've got
And
it
you
gripped.
can hold, and you can still use your fingers too if you feel like you need to touch the lash or what have you. Doing well. That looks great.
Okay. So now I've got it centered and I'm ready to stick it on my eyelid, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going for the center of my eyelid.
Yes. Perfect. Great. You can feel it right at the base. Good.
Yep.
All right.
Now do I do this?
Right. You're going to take the tweezer and just pull down the end lightly, right? So it fits right there. That's okay. Yep. Try to pull that down to the center and put it right on the skin.
Yes.
You can feel it, right? Push that in a little bit on the outer corner because it's, all right.
I don't think it's in all the way on
Let
the
me
back.
see. Look down. Okay. You're doing well. It's just towards your nose. It's coming off. So you want to push.
Right here?
Yep. You want to push that to the skin. Yep. Perfect.
Oh.
Okay, so now you're so what happens is that when
I've got glue on my
tweezer. So
tweezers.
just take the alcohol pad.
I got it. I can still use this one.
Okay. Take off any glue and then
Okay.
So now you can try it again. You might need a little bit more glue, Mom.
All right.
Try again. Great. You were doing well. You were doing really well.
Except I didn't get it on. Can you bring your eyelash?
You can do whatever you want to do to help you put it on. Mm-hmm. But when you just schedule it right in the center, like you did, perfect. Nice.
Okay, now I'm going to push it down.
You can push it down. Yep. You can push it down so it.
I'm getting it on.
So what happens is that you're taking the tweezer and you're touching the glue with it. There, you got it.
Okay.
Let me see. It looks good for your first time. Okay, no. No, it's not good. No, actually, no, it looks good. Here, let me help you a second. Let me just help you. See how this feels when you're up there like that? You have to have the whole band touching the lid. If you don't feel the whole band touching the lid, you know it's not on. Like right there. Did you feel that?
Yes.
When you feel the tip, so now it's on your actual lid. Right above your lashes.
Okay.
Well, basically what we'd have to do is we have to take the eyeliner and to smooth it out because you know what I mean? You've got the glue kind of going everywhere.
So now that it's on there, don't do anything else. Just leave it. I don't have to mash it down anymore?
No, you don't need to mash it down.
All right.
Let me see. Yeah, and then these, since they're really natural, we can put a little bit of mascara on them.
Really?
Yeah, just to give them a little bit more, like
lift up maybe a little bit, blend them with mine.
Because they're really natural. I mean, you could possibly do another more dramatic lash if you wanted to, but they look pretty. It's thickening up your lash line. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it looks pretty natural. It adds some depth to the eye, darker around the eye.
I mean, it
frames it out.
Right. There's a little bit of glue on the lash line, but we're not worrying about that. Let's try application on the left eye since you're right-handed and see how this works.
So now I'm holding it in my fingers.
Right. Yeah, you can hold it in your fingers.
I think that's easier.
Yeah.
Holding it in my fingers and putting on the using the wand to put the glue on.
Right. Don't get it too clumpy though.
So, all right. I cleaned off the glue off of the tweezers, and now I'm going to try to center it and get it in the right place. I think it's easier if I hold it, my eye.
Okay. Looking good. Hold down the inner corner to meet your inner corner.
Yeah, this is like starting to lift up, so am I not on the right place? It must not be on the right place. Okay, hold on.
Okay, so you're going into your eyelash. See, now wait.
What?
The false lash is hanging out on your real lashes.
All right.
You want to concentrate on going to, you want to feel it on your lid. The lowest you can get on your lid, because you need to feel that glue so you know that it's not just on top of your eyelashes.
Can you kind of close your eye?
Yes. Yeah, whatever works for you. So you feel it? Do you feel the glue on your lid?
Yeah.
Okay, so then you know you've got it right where you need to. You pull down on that closest to the nose, looking good.
Here, how's that look?
Let me see. All right, so we just did your application. You did it yourself. You did very well.
Thank you.
There's a little bit of glue here and there, but this is your first time you've put them on. These are a full lash. And do you have any questions about what we did or how you did it or?
No, I think that the application will take a little bit of practice, but I'd like to know what to do now. If I'm going to wear them again, can I? And how do you clean them?
Yes. Well, my mom was asking, well, actually, remember when I did the individuals for you? I always do individuals when we like have family events. And one time I came into breakfast and I was like, Mom, what are you doing? I had put on individual lashes like 3 days prior, and they were literally like, she had like 3 left on one eye and 2 on the other eye. And I said, Mom, what are you doing? She's like, what? I love them so much. I'm like, but have you looked at yourself in the mirror? She's like, well, it's fine. I said, well, we're going to fix that right away. So those, my mom will try to like get every life out of them, but you want to throw those away. Individuals, you wash off your face when you take soap and water or your cleanser and just wash them off. These with strip lashes are a little bit different. You're going to want to take your tweezer, find the synthetic lash where it's attached, and just slowly peel it off the eye. So you don't want to pull them and go, and if you feel like it's tugging on something, relax, go back, and then try it again so you're not pulling off your own lashes. So you can reuse these if you clean them and then store them back in their case.
And how do you clean them? With the alcohol?
You can clean them just at the, you can take basically tweezers, take off all the glue, and then you can use a little bit of like our alcohol pad here, just on that little strip, I don't put mascara on my false lashes. So I don't have to do all that cleaning and all that kind of stuff for them because I want them to be wispy and I want them to look really pretty. I don't want to put a lot of mascara that I have to clean off of. So I would really concentrate on cleaning the band, letting them dry, putting them back in their case, and then you can use them for your next event.
Okay, but if you had put mascara on them and blended them together, then how do you get that off? You
want to be really gentle with them. You can take a gentle eye makeup remover pad, like the ones, this is a generic one from Beauty 360, or you can do the All Mate pads and just slowly take off the mascara. You would obviously not want to put waterproof mascara on them because that would be impossible to take off of false lashes, but you can do that. There's a lot of videos too on YouTube that give you all different types of tips and tricks on how to really clean them if they're mink lashes or if they're real lashes, and these are just synthetic lashes. So you can just, wipe them down with that, then store them again and use them.
Okay, that's great. So now I'll practice.
All right, so ladies, I've done so many lash videos to really help you and show you with my mother and my aunt on how they actually have never applied them before, and just with a little practice and doing that. So now I know that if my mom and my aunt can do it, you all can do it. So until my next video, I'll see you later.